Yeah, you are welcome to Godey TV. My name is Ankama Godfrey. Today, come to show you how you can use ON MTN to get 750 megabyte for WhatsApp on MTN. And in particular, we will kwan a wobɛfa so na wa use ON MTN ɛde anya 750 megabyte. Na wa use all WhatsApp, all MTN network so. And when I start, but answer na bɛhyɛ ase no mɛsrɛ wo sɛ wobɛ subscribe channel no ama me na afei so what turn notification. Like it and leave your comments there. And we saa ɛbɛboa me channel no na atumi promote no. Let me encourage me more. Na ma me nso matumi ɛde more videos out. Madam ase, womenhyɛ ase. So this is the short code *567#. Pacho uduru hɔ no ma na wa choose option 1 no. Option 1 na wa choose option 1 no. Nso biem wobɛsɛ choose option 1 na afei nso nso be choose option 2 iduru hɔ a say enter amount to preferred bundle uduru hɔ no ma na what type the least amount, that's 0.07, so use the 0.07 so 0.07. so here you choose option 4 and so do I know what choose option 4 no. Option 4, that's 3.59 megabyte. Option 4 now choose how so it will do I don't pay no feeling now where they will choose to feel I will choose 1 or open so will choose 2 airtime or mobile money. So maybe person we use airtime until we choose option 1. Until my we and no manya 50 megabyte meet me use or WhatsApp. Come on, me use 0.07 pen a minute ain't no. I'm checking my balance. Let's check. That 567 the same code. So here you want to check. Yeah. So choose 99. That's more 99. Then option 6. You choose option 6. Check balance. I want to check my balance. So you see your pause balance. I also got you see, so WhatsApp is 162 megabyte and the actual data is 7 megabyte. If I do another one to I'll get additional 50 megabyte to this one, and data will also increase by 4 or 3 megabytes to at least 10. So everything will be increased. Let's see another one too. To *567#. Then choose option 1, the same option. So choose another option 1, then option 2, then enter the amount 0.07. 0.07. Then here choose option 4, and then airtime 1, airtime. So you see I've also received another one too. So let's start and *567#. And it is someone data no I increase by 3 megabyte equal 10 megabyte, and a WhatsApp data bundle also I increase by 50 megabyte equal 212 megabyte. And no, so person when you more as a way and do it. The more you do it, the more you gain more data bundle. And we ever ball it more data bundle. And you cost on our year 50 megabyte ever become sa. But I was say somewhat me. But I must say, we a Godey TV. Subscribe to my channel, like it and leave comments. Send a be encourage me. I'm more videos about. Madam, I say, thank you.